A new order just came in. This time, it's fried chicken, but this pickup is a little different. The chicken shop is inside a traditional Korean market. It just rained hard a few minutes ago. The roads are still wet. I'm passing the square in front of Anyang station. Anyang is about 40 minutes from Seoul station by subway. Traditional markets are usually cheaper than regular stores. A whole fried chicken here costs about $7. At many chicken restaurants, it costs about twice as much. This is the entrance to Anyang Market. The market stretches across several blocks on the right. This market has been here for nearly 100 years. There are more than 800 stores here. If you include street vendors, the number is even higher. You can find almost everything people use every day. Fresh produce, seafood, fresh meat, side dishes, clothing, household goods, restaurants, and street food. It's Sunday, so there are a lot of people and cars around the market. This is the entrance to the market parking lot. Traffic is completely backed up. The market is large, so there are several entrances, but motorcycles and cars can't go inside the market. This is as far as I can go on my motorcycle. From here, I have to walk. The first stores I see are clothing stores, then fruit stands. There's also a ginseng shop in front of us. Fruit and vegetable stores are everywhere. On the right is a butcher shop. On the left is a side dish shop. These shops sell many kinds of banchan, the small dishes Koreans usually eat with rice. There's a tofu shop on the left, and roast duck next to it. Then a seafood shop. On the right, a sock shop. Next to that, a dried seafood shop. A fish shop on the left. Rice cakes and fish cakes on the right. More side dishes. Another chicken shop. A health supplement store. Another butcher shop. A vegetable shop. And another chicken shop next to a bedding store. We've only walked through one aisle of Anyang Market, and there are already this many stores. There are many more aisles like this. Now, arrived at the chicken shop for the pickup. This place is known for fried chicken coated in a sweet and slightly spicy sauce. The order is ready for pickup. Now, leaving the market. Now, I'm heading to the customer's apartment. The customer lives in one of Korea's large apartment complexes. It's called Bisan Dong Remian Apartments. There are more than 3,800 homes in this apartment complex. That means around 10,000 people may live in this single apartment complex. You can already see the apartment buildings on the left. This is the entrance to the apartment complex. The complex is so large that the ride continues even after entering. Many large apartment complexes in Korea have roads that look just like regular city streets. Some of the even larger ones even have traffic lights inside. Even though this looks like an ordinary road, it's actually inside the apartment complex. There are many speed bumps here to slow down traffic. There are always children and elderly residents around, so riders have to be extra careful. I've arrived. To enter the building, I need to use the intercom and ask the customer to unlock the entrance. Now inside the elevator. The delivery is complete. Now, it's time to head to the next order. Thanks for riding with me.